The AC unit I used in the C10 was a vintage Air SureFit Series 4 made for 1960 to 66 Chevrolet C10s. The kit came with everything needed for the installation as well as detailed instruction. The first steps in the installation involve fitting the filter dryer to the condenser. The filter dryer condenser assembly was then mounted into the truck. The condenser sits in front of the engine radiator. In the next three photos, you can see the AC lines as they pass through the radiator support beneath the battery box. I later moved the battery and mega fuses to the right frame rail. The AC vents were painted to match the cab interior and mounted beneath the dash. Holes were drilled in the firewall to mount the evaporator. The evaporator assembly was then completed, and the evaporator was mounted beneath the dash. The evaporator wiring to the control panel was completed. Though it was a tight fit, the evaporator allowed enough room for the cruise control module to be mounted under the dash on the same side. Using the various fittings supplied with the kit, the hoses were routed for the AC system. Refrigerant hoses were built using vintage Air Easy Clip hoses. This allowed me to build my own hoses and also allowed for more flexibility. I did not like the way one of the hoses was routed initially, so I purchased another fitting to clean up the appearance of the AC lines. The routing of the heater hoses to the system was also changed for a cleaner appearance. The compressor for the AC system is a new style Sandon SD7 compressor. The unit is very efficient as well as small in size. The AC system is monitored and controlled from a vintage Air chrome electronic control panel. Ductwork was added beneath the dash to the floor vents, dash vents, and defroster vents. After the system was evacuated and charged, the unit kept the cabin very cool.